Welcome to PageProof's fresh new features. This month we're excited to showcase our special 4th of July feature release and our latest G2 customer review report. PageProof continues to lead the online proofing category and was named Momentum Leader in the G2 Summer Quarterly Report and awarded a total of 7 badges. PageProof was named the top solution in the Results, Relationship and Usability categories and continues to be rated a near-perfect 4.9 out of 5 stars too. Click the link in the description below to read the report. We love celebrations and there's nothing better than celebrating summer, making the 4th of July perfect for our latest in-app feature release. Our hugely popular ColorSep feature, Color Separation Mode for a Proof, is highly optimized for packaging proofing and lets you preview the color separation plates for the proof file. We have extended the file type support to Adobe Illustrator files. Use your mouse to scroll through the pages of a proof, or use the left and right page arrows on the proofing screen, or left and right arrow shortcut keys. The choice is yours. Open the Proof's info pane to see which workflow template was used. You'll find the workflow template name in various reports too, such as the Approved Proofs, Proofs Out in Review, and Proofs Back from Review reports, just to name a few. The Collections Manage pane now displays the collection owner. Other features you'll find in the collection pane are adding a collection to a folder. Folders are a great way to organize collections. Sharing the collection with your team so they can also add proofs into the collection. Perform bulk actions such as adding an owner, nudging reviewers who have not yet finished reviewing, adding a reviewer, and replacing the approver. Archiving collections that you're no longer working with. Use the new collection tooltip to quickly navigate through proofs in the collection to review them. Shortcut keys Shift plus the left arrow and Shift plus the right arrow are available for this navigation too. When marking up a proof using the drawing pen tool, you'll now see useful undo, redo, and delete all markup options. Making text changes to your Adobe add-on InDesign file is a breeze with the PageProof Adobe add-on. The latest version of the add-on allows you to replace text you have highlighted in your document with text from the reviewer's comment in a single click. Use the new comment pane arrows to quickly navigate through the comments on a proof. Tip: use the order by icon to order the comments by position on the page, latest reply, date, time code for video and audio proofs, and much more. To stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our channel below or follow us on LinkedIn via the link in this video description. If you have anything to ask us or any feedback you'd like to share, just send us a message via our in-app chat on your dashboard. PageProof, making feedback welcome.